Okay, we've talked about ownership, we've talked about setting our goals. Now is importantly where we are taking action. Okay, also we've covered the thoughts processes, positives and negatives. Now we're on to taking action. So we can have like this amazing goal that we're working towards, we can feel positive about it, we can be taking ownership of it, but none of this shit matters if we're not taking action in a structured plan on a daily basis. This is where we need to spend 95% of our focus, 95% of our energy in taking the day-to-day actions that are taking us towards our end goal, okay, our destination. Now, a really cool analogy I like to use for this is climbing the mountain. Okay, the top of the mountain is the goal, whether it's weight loss, whether it's performance, whether it's running an ultra marathon, whether it's doing whatever we want to achieve. Our goal is at the top. Where we are is at the bottom of the mountain. Our daily actions are taking the steps each day up that mountain. We're focusing on where we're putting our footing, making sure we're staying on the right path. We're not slipping back. If we do slip back a little bit, we're carrying on plotting and just focusing on those steps on a daily basis. Now, what happens after a month of climbing or after a couple of weeks? We look back, we've come a distance, we're feeling good, we've got our destination, we're working towards it. This analogy is really, really good for you to use and visualize with your goal at the top there. Now, the importance, okay, the 95 and 5 is because a lot of us get caught up with that end goal, that end state, okay, and it's not where we want to be focusing. We want to be focusing on taking the daily actions, okay? Now, with the daily actions, we want to feel good about taking these daily actions. So, if you find whatever you're doing is hard or it's not enjoyable, okay, you need to change it up because your energy towards it, how you're feeling, isn't good, okay? You want to do something that you enjoy, that you're pumped, okay, and you're enjoying doing. So progression is essential, but also enjoyment. So if you're going for runs or you're going for walks and you want to focus on doing better than what you did yesterday, like climbing up that mountain, doing a little bit more, feeling good about it, okay? If you're finding that just getting up's hard, okay, your daily steps is just getting up and just doing something, okay? Just getting your shoes on, going out for a walk, just getting your shoes on, doing a short workout. Doesn't even matter if it's not you pushing your hardest, okay? This whole thing of go hard or go home is absolute bullshit, okay? Doing something is 10 times better than doing nothing. The difference between taking action and not taking action is huge, okay? So just doing something every day is awesome, okay? And we always push doing something every day. We don't push thrash yourself every day. We don't push train a couple of times when you feel like it. Do something every day. You'll feel good about doing it. You'll feel positive, and you'll be taking those daily actions. So team, taking action, climbing the mountain, keeping ourselves positive, and we're aiming for the goals at the top there, but we're focusing on the daily actions that we're taking. Smash it up.